Everybody, just wanted to show you how to fix the brokenness of Microsoft Word. Here's a Word document. If we try to open it with Microsoft Word, Microsoft Word is incapable of reading the Microsoft Word document. We see the equations look fine, but look at what happens when we start to look at some of these pictures. The pictures are not here. Let's see if there's any more pictures. Oh, here's another picture. It's also gone. And this has a figure that looks like it's here, but it's really just equations. So the equations seem to have made it, but the pictures do not make it. And it's very difficult to understand what the problem is with Word. And you think, well, maybe this is because we've damaged the document. Maybe the document is damaged beyond repair. There are certainly very good equations in here, and there's just fine pictures. So the question is, how do we fix this so that we can get our pictures back? Are the pictures really gone? Can we double-click on the pictures? Is there anything available? Double-clicking on them doesn't do anything for us. The pictures are just not being displayed. They look blank. So here's what you do. Quit out of Word. Forget about Word. Word can't work. Word can't read Word. But here's something that can read Word, and it's called LibreOffice. Now, LibreOffice can read Word just fine. You bring up the LibreOffice system, open up your Word document, and there's your pictures. No problem. There they are. Moreover, if you take the pictures, you can copy the pictures. You can go into the so-called drawing mode. You can paste them in. But you still can't edit them. Let's do that again. We'll start fresh. We'll make a new drawing. We'll paste it in. Double-click. Nothing there. Can't edit it. But if you go down into the drawing and you convert the drawing using a transform to polygon. So this is shape convert to polygon. Now, when you double-click on the drawing, you can gain access to individual items, and you can move them around. So in fact, the images are still there. You can still edit them, and while Microsoft Office can't read Microsoft Office documents, LibreOffice can. Thank you.